A useful feature within IP that not all of our users may be aware of is a search function. So to allow you to help you find particular menu items or particular data in your database, you can use the search function. If you go to database in this box here, you could type in the name of a module, for example. I might want to find the Sigma analysis module. I couldn't remember which menu it was in. Here it comes. You can just click on that and it'll bring you straight into that module. Likewise, we could look for data. So I might want to find all the wells that have a phi-e curve, and here's all the wells with the curves phi-e. And if I want to actually browse one of them, I can just click on that. It will take me to that well, into that set, and I can just immediately look at it. You can do the same with curve sets. If you had a curve set you knew the name of, but exactly sure where it was. Let's say a curve set called results. You can see I've got 4 wells which have a curve set called results, and I can click on that one. It'll take me straight to that well in that curve set.